The addressability... Nailed it.
We'll work on that.
As hard as I can. No. Try to break it. All right. This is Index Explains. My name is Sam Crosby. Take one. The addressability landscape is complex and always evolving. As the end of third-party cookies approaches, our industry has an opportunity to implement an improved privacy-first approach, and a range of ID-based and non-ID-based solutions are already emerging. Hi, I'm Sam Crosby, Senior Director of Product at Index Exchange. Let's talk about PAIR, or Publisher-Advertiser Identity Reconciliation, a relatively nascent solution emerging within this landscape. PAIR was first adopted by Google's DV360 DSP and leverages clean rooms to match first-party data between media owners and marketers. Recently, Google announced that it is working with the IAB Tech Lab to open source this protocol and make it more widely available to the ad industry. PAIR enables personalized, privacy-centric advertising across all channels, from web to streaming TV, where a deterministic identifier is available from the media owner. It's aimed at reaching known audiences or those for which first-party data is available, and provides marketers with a way to engage high-intent audiences like past purchasers. That means consumers would only see ads from brands they already have a relationship with or shared information with. Since PAIR is a deterministic authenticated ID solution based on first-party data from media owners and marketers, its application will only increase in the post-cookie world. So how does PAIR work? The design quite literally allows a media owner and a marketer to pair audiences together. Imagine a list of authenticated subscribers that a media owner has and a list of customers that a marketer has. Those two audience lists can be encrypted and paired together using a clean room. For example, say I'm logged into a streaming platform while watching a great new movie. As a subscriber, my account will contain data like my email address or phone number because I agreed to share it with the platform. Let's also say I'm a repeat customer of my favorite shoe brand, and I'm on that brand's email list. With PAIR, the shoe brand can serve me an ad for its new sneakers while I'm watching the movie on this streaming platform without releasing any of my personal identifiable information, or PII, and without relying on cookies or device IDs. PAIR doesn't use any of these first-party identifiers or hashed IDs to identify me as, for example, ID 123. Instead, you have a big data web, as many as hundreds, thousands, or millions of customers, that says this paired ID matches the target audience for this campaign. Let's look at the workflow in more detail. A media owner first establishes a relationship with a marketer they want to pair with. To connect their audience data, media owners and marketers can use a clean room. A clean room is a third-party platform that can take in raw PII and output secure encrypted data, in this case to the media owner, marketer, and DSP. Clean rooms ensure any data stays secure, and only encrypted data gets shared with the DSP for reconciliation. The clean room operator would create 3 different encryption keys: a marketer key, a publisher key, and a shared key between the two parties. These keys are unique for every marketer and media owner relationship and ensure there is no way for any one party to reverse encrypt or identify users. And since each party uniquely encrypts the data for their specific relationship, that data is not usable outside of the context of this pairing. After encryption and reconciliation, the marketer and media owner both receive the percentage match rate of their respective first-party audience lists. No user-level matches or PII are sent back or shared with the SSP or DSP. Media owners pass their encrypted list to their SSP and can include it in bid requests to the DSP. Simultaneously, marketers pass their encrypted list to their DSP so that it can match the uploaded first-party marketer data to a media owner's first-party data in bid requests. When an impression opportunity arises, the SSP runs an ad auction, and the winning ad is displayed to the consumer. PAIR enables marketers to get the value of deterministic matching and personalization in a privacy-safe manner. It works across devices, which creates a large potential for addressability in streaming TV. We expect traction will grow quickly here. In the long term, it's unknown if new, more restrictive privacy regulation or platform changes will eliminate the ability to use IDs based on data pooling, like other authenticated ID-based solutions available now. With PAIR, marketers and media owners maintain ownership of their data, and the encrypted data is not usable outside of that relationship. Data pooling is prohibited. Therefore, you could argue that PAIR is potentially future-proofed for more restrictive privacy regulations that may come about in different regions. Plus, scale will only increase as the IAB Tech Lab evolves PAIR into an open industry standard. Overall, PAIR aims to preserve all the value of deterministic and personalized advertising through a privacy-friendly option.